Hi everybody, Andrea again with Camille's Crown Closet. Today we're unboxing Lisbon by Belle Tress in Crushed Almond Blonde. Right now I am wearing Kelly by Belle Tress, part of their Icons collection in Milkshake Rooted. Stay tuned. Here she is, Lisbon by Belle Tress. This is part of the City collection. We'll go ahead and take her out of the box. And here's Lisbon. Again, this is part of the Belle Tress City collection. Open wefted. It has the mono left part in the front here. And temple to temple lace front. Velvet or felt ear tabs with the metal stays. Extended nape with the Velcro adjusters. We'll go ahead and try her on without doing anything so you can see what she looks like right out of the box. And here is Belle Tress Lisbon in Crushed Almond Blonde right out of the box. I like to show you the wigs, what they look like right out of the box. Again, because typically you do have to do a little bit of work to them to get them to look more natural and more like yours. I don't think I'm gonna have to do much to Lisbon at all. She actually came out really good right out of the box. She's really pretty, has just kind of like some really subtle beachy waves, but I'll go ahead and spin around and show you the side. It's my left side. The back. And back to the front. I really think I need to get a spinny chair to help with that process. But we'll go ahead and break up the zigzag part. Again, I don't think I'm going to have to do much to her, maybe comb her out a little bit. And typically I don't like things on my face, but you know, this one's not too bad right out of the box. So I'll play with it a little bit, let you know what I did, and show you the results. And here she is. I literally did nothing but break up the zigzag part. I didn't apply any heat, combed it out a little bit. She's really cute with these side swept bangs. I especially like the left side, but the right side has some side swept bangs as well. You know, again, it has barely there waves. Makes for a really nice style, everyday wear. It's not too dressy, but you could also dress this up and also pull it up in an updo or a half up, half down. Really, really cute style. Again, this is Lisbon by Belle Tress in Crushed Almond Blonde. As of January 2026, we do have Lisbon special pricing in our Hot Buy section at Camille's Crown Closet. So stop by, take a look. Hopefully you'll like her too. Thanks for watching.